Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust aim sensitivity in Arena Breakout Infinite. To adjust aim sensitivity in Arena Breakout Infinite, click on Escape, then Control, and here you can adjust the main aim sensitivity, which will be applied to all of the magnifications, and here are the detailed magnifications, and you can set aim sensitivity for different magnifications. And when you're done, click on Save, Confirm, and click here to go back. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.